Chiropractic is about more than just back pain relief. It's the natural approach to whole body wellness. Medical studies show that chiropractic is effective for headaches, migraines, dizziness, and neck pain. Patients with auto injuries, tinnitus, jaw disorders, fibromyalgia, and shoulder pain have also found relief with chiropractic. It can also be beneficial for conditions associated with aging, like scoliosis, spinal degeneration, and osteoarthritis in the knee, hip, and hands. By easing pressure on irritated nerves, chiropractic adjustments can alleviate nerve impingement, radicular pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and sciatica. Chiropractic